Good morning or good evening, wherever you may be coming in from, everybody. Josh here with 8-Bit Goonies. Just a quick little video. Got some good articles to go over with you real quick. Um, quick look at the market here. 519 billion. We're up a little bit, recovering from that severe drop yesterday. As we just take a quick look through the numbers. 10,252 for Bitcoin. Ethereum holding strong, up 6%, up 5% on the 7-day. So while most everything's red on this side, not Ethereum. So good for them. 1,127. Good solid part of the portfolio right there. Ethereum. Make sure you got some Ethereum, and make sure you got some Bitcoin. Stellar, Cardano, everything's up today a little bit. Past 24 hours is looking green. Lisk, of course, announced their rebranding, so they are up 20%. I don't know what a rebrand necessarily does for you, but get you a better name or a different name. Nano, this is Ryblox has now officially rebranded their Nano, up 25%, although they've dropped 2% in the past hour. Trade at $19, so good for Ryblox, I guess. Nano. So yeah, good to see some green over here. Past hour, some greens and some reds in there. Not too bad. So yeah, we're heading in the right direction. We'll see if we can keep this momentum. Bitcoin dominance down to 33.3%. We'll see if that drops any lower. Could be interesting if it does. So first article of the day, biggest article of the day in my opinion that I've found so far. A second government's looking to back cryptocurrency with gold. So I did an article last week about the Australian government, or Australian gold, the Perth Mint, looking to back a cryptocurrency with gold. Now the UK Royal Mint is launching a gold-backed cryptocurrency. It's actually going to be the RMG, Royal Mint Gold. It's digital representation of gold stored in the Royal Mint vault. So once again, they're going to try to track all of the gold in the UK system, from mining to processing to storing and to sale, and where it finally ends up. So an unchangeable ledger is perfect for this, to track where golds come from. So I think this is fantastic for I think it's fantastic for gold, first of all, but I think it's fantastic for the blockchain. That shows, it was the Perth Mint last week, that shows some faith from another large government. So that's awesome, guys. I think if we can get more of this going and less of the BitConnect and Tether stuff, we're going to be heading in the right direction very soon. So we'll see how this shakes out, and we'll see if it's implemented and how it goes. So, I think this is a fantastic direction, though. What they want to do, Coghill mentioned that one RMG coin will be equal to 1 gram of gold. So it's real gold you're holding when you hold RMG. So people that say your fiat's not backed by anything, Bitcoin isn't backed by anything, here's a group that says, no, we are going to back it with something. We're going to back it with gold, how money should be backed, how it was meant to be. So this is fantastic news. One more quick article here about another government getting involved in the blockchain. Taipei partners with IOTA to become a blockchain-powered smart city. So Taipei, Taiwan is seeking to become a smart city by utilizing the power of distributed ledger technology, or blockchain. The city's chosen to partner with IOTA of all groups, with the Tango technology, the Internet of Things, to provide a number of new technologies for residents. So some of the stuff they're looking to do, the docket is creation of citizen ID cards built on the Tango technology called the Tango ID card. It is designed to eliminate risks of identity theft, voter fraud, etc. So, and even a simple means for tracking health history and other data for government-related services. So, once again, governments using the blockchain for good, seeing the benefits of it rather than just trying to ban it or regulate it. So good news for IOTA and good news for the blockchain in general. Again, this is fantastic news, and I think if more governments adopt this direction, it's going to be better for all of us involved. So all right, next little bit of news is Samsung is getting involved, and they are making cryptocurrency mining chips. So right now we know there is a huge GPU shortage in the world. I've noticed prices have doubled. I'm a gamer. I've built gaming computers in the past, and the price of GPUs right now is ridiculous. So Samsung is looking to make, and as we know, there are certain chips that are much better for mining than other chips. Well, Samsung is going to make a mining specific chip. So it's not going to be for your gaming rig. You're not going to be stealing gamers' GPUs. This is actually going to be made for mining. So hopefully it is some of the more productive style of chips. And I think this is great for miners. I think it's great for gamers. And once again, I think it's good for the overall market and the mining market. So this is Bitman that's going to be involved in this. It looks, oh no, Samsung competitor Chinese companies such as Bitman and Bitfury. They specialize in producing the ASICs. So basically, they just talk about mining. Mining is profitable, but it's so profitable right now. Why wouldn't somebody make a chip that's designed specifically for this? So basically, they're saying that since mining's come along, it's added $350 to $400 million in revenue to the chip makers. So this is good news again. I think mining specific, I can't wait to get my hands on 6 of them and set up a rig with those. I think that'll be awesome and a lot of fun to play around with for the miners out there in the world. So we'll see how that goes. All right. And one last bit of news came out with Icon. So this is Icon's partner list. Icon, they're looking to basically they're a platform to build. Let's pop up their white paper here real quick and just take a look. I do have just so you know, I do have a stake in Icon. I've held Icon for a little bit now. They've really dropped over the past little while. So basically, they want to, decentralize. Basically, they want to become similar to an Ethereum, where you can build decentralized apps on it, etc. So, what's interesting though is this article, or not really article, but on their website, icon.foundation. As you scroll down here, they now have partnerships, they say, with Forbes and Bloomberg. So 2 huge venture capital companies getting involved. Forbes and Bloomberg have backed some ICOs and have lent their name to a few things on the blockchain. But now Icon is saying they're partners, venturing capital company that was established to provide hands-on support and investment to entrepreneurs and innovators at all stages of the development, from startup to initial public offerings. And the Bloomberg is very similar. Venture capital company that's established to provide hands-on support and investment opportunities for innovators at all stages, from startup to initial public offering. So, interesting partnerships. Forbes and Bloomberg. That's huge. If they get behind somebody like Icon, that could really boost what Icon's doing here. So that's fantastic news for Icon. And once again, the more we have these large investment firms getting behind rather than trying to regulate, that's good news for us overall, guys. So, yeah, just wanted to jump on, give you a few little bits and blurbs about today's news. Again, we're heading in the right direction. Let's give it a quick refresh, see where we are. 519, 520. So we've gained $1 billion just by sitting here. So heading in the right direction, guys. One more I wanted to look at real quick. Lunar did launch its ICO, but it hasn't really helped them out a bunch. Let's see, there's Edu, good wallet. If you haven't downloaded the Edu wallet yet, I do recommend giving it a go. I've got it on my phone. All ERC20 tokens can be moved into and out of it. I find it very easy to use and a fantastic little product. I have also a couple other wallets I'm really happy with at the moment, and I will do maybe a whole wallet review, but Exodus wallet and the Daedalus wallet for ADA, I'm finding fantastic. And ADA is looking to start staking directly from their wallet here very soon. So that's exciting news. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe below. We're really getting off the ground. We're gaining some traction, having a lot of fun doing these videos, and we plan to keep them coming. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.